Okay, this is question 24 on practice paper A, the foundation practice paper A, and it's the calculator paper. Okay, looking at question 12, it says Stephen imports cars from the USA. He sells them in the UK. He just bought a car in the USA costing $24,000. It cost him £900 to import the car to the UK. So to bring it across, it cost him £900. The exchange rate is £1 is $1.45. Stephen needs to make a profit of 20% on his total costs. So that he needs to make 20% on his total cost. Work out the least amount Stephen must sell the car for in the UK. Give your answer in pounds. Okay, so this is another multi-stage question because there are multiple stages to it. What I'm going to do first of all is start changing things into pounds. So he bought the car, so the cost of the car is $24,000. Okay, but we know that £1 is $1.45. If I was changing pounds to dollars, I'd go in that direction. Yeah, and I'd be timesing. If I'm converting dollars into pounds, I'd go in that direction, and I'd be doing the opposite of timesing. I'd be dividing. Right, so let me put it clearer there. You'd be dividing. Okay, so coming backwards, you'd be dividing. So to work out the cost of the car into pounds, right? So if I wanted to change it into pounds, I would divide this number, $24,000, by 145 to change it into pounds. So get your calculator out. Remember, this is the calculator paper, and yep, I could do that there. 24000 divided by 145, and that's going to give you this big number here. Now, I'm working in money, so I'm going to leave it to 2 decimal places because it's sort of in pence. So working that forward, right? I'm just going to keep it all in pence. So that is 16551.72 pence. Okay, so that's how much money that's the price of the car in pounds. That's the price of the car in pounds. However, the cost that he had, right, was also not only paying for the car, but to bring the car into the UK. So his total cost is that 16,551.72 pounds, the cost of the car, plus 900 pounds. So 16551.72 plus 900. That altogether is 17451.72. Okay? That's the total cost of the car to him. The question says he needs to make a profit of 20% on his total cost. So I need to work out 20% of 17451.72. Now 20% is 20 divided by 100. So let's work that out. 20 divided by 100. I'll just put that on the side here. 20% is 20 over 100. 20%. That's 0.2 times 17451.72. So let's see if I could place that here. Yeah, 0.2 times 17451.72 pence. Okay, so that means if he wants to make a 20% profit, he needs to sell the car for that much more. he needs to sell the car for £3,490.34 more than he bought it for. He bought everything, or more than his total costs. So I need to add this amount onto his total cost. So he needs to sell the car for how much? So the selling price, so selling price must be at least 17451.72 plus 349034, and that's 17451.72 add 349034 equals £20,942 6p. £20,942 6p. That's how much he should sell the car for in the end, right? So that's how much you should sell the car overall for in the end. Now, this is a multiple stage question. Actually, if I just raise this a bit, I think I'm missing out the answer bit at the bottom. Yeah, this is a multiple stage question, and there's my final result. That's worth 3 marks. I think it should be worth a lot more than that, but in a question like this, 3 marks, you need to make sure you show all your workings, you show all the stages, and you give the answer accurately. So look over this, make sure you know how to do it, make sure you can do it, and make sure you can get full marks in it.